Hey, do you know what is the basic difference between find and filter methods in JavaScript? Let us learn this. Find method will return the first element which satisfies the specified condition, whereas filter method will return all the elements which satisfies the specified condition. So this is the basic difference between these two methods. Let us take a simple example and try to understand this. Here we are using find method on this array. We have specified a condition that a should be greater than 2, means element value should be greater than 2, and the value of y will be 3 here, because the first element which satisfies the specified condition will be returned, whereas here we are using filter method where all the elements which satisfy the specified conditions will be returned. So the output will be 3 comma 4. Array of 3 comma 4 will be output in case of filter method. Comment on the concepts which you want me to explain in the next drill.